Hi friends, welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. I'm Jeremy McLean, Director of Marketing at Osborne. Today I'd like to share our two current catalogs with you. Our branded catalog, Catalog 121, showcases a wide range of our products in an easy to navigate manner. This is a great source of inspiration for your next project. You can view popular products, you can view new releases, installation examples, company information, and more in this catalog. We also have a recently released unbranded catalog. This version still showcases a large variety of our products, but will allow you to share them with your clients without revealing Osborne as the source. Both of these can be viewed as PDFs on our website, or you can request a physical copy to be sent to your address. Thanks for joining me for Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays. You can browse our online catalog by visiting our website at www.osbornewood.com. If you'd like to stay up to date on product releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.